Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel where we break down the latest tech gadgets to help you make the right buying decision.
Today, we're diving into the world of digital notebooks with the Lenovo Smart Paper. Let's see if this device lives up to the hype.
The Lenovo Smart Paper is not your average e-reader. It's a sleek, premium digital notebook designed for note-taking, reading, and sketching.
But does it deliver on its promises? Let's find out. First up, let's talk about design.
The Smart Paper sports a slim, all-metal body that screams elegance. At just 5.5 mm thick and weighing only 408 grams, it's incredibly portable and feels great in the hand.
Lenovo didn't reinvent the wheel here, opting for a familiar 10.3-inch e-ink display with a resolution of 1404 by 1872 pixels.
It's not the sharpest display out there, but it gets the job done.
Now, let's talk about the screen and pen.
The 10.3-inch e-ink display provides a great canvas for writing and reading.
Plus, the inclusion of a backlight makes it usable in darker environments.
The Lenovo Smart Paper Pen, included in the box, offers a premium writing experience with 4096 levels of pressure sensitivity.
It feels natural and responsive, making handwriting a breeze.
Moving on to features and performance, the Smart Paper runs on a Rockchip RK3566 processor with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage. While it's not the fastest device out there, it handles note-taking and basic tasks with ease. The device runs on a customized version of Android, providing a streamlined user experience. However, the lack of access to the Google Play Store and restrictive cloud storage options might be a downside for some users.
Now, let's talk about battery life. With a 3500 mAh cell, the Smart Paper promises weeks of usage on a single charge. In my testing, it held up well, lasting several days on moderate usage. Plus, the included 10W charger ensures quick and hassle-free charging whenever you need it. So, should you buy the Lenovo Smart Paper? If you're in the market for a premium digital notebook with a sleek design and excellent writing experience, it's definitely worth considering. However, the higher price tag and limited flexibility compared to some competitors might be a drawback for some users. Ultimately, it comes down to your specific needs and budget. And that wraps up our review of the Lenovo Smart Paper. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more unbiased reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.